IMO provides the forum and secretariat necessary for debate and agreement by member states on IMO conventions and other instruments. A member state that is a flag state with respect to shipping is responsible for the implementation of the provisions of an IMO convention or other instrument it has satisfied. IMO conventions provide the means to address the concerns of the member states. They provide a platform from which international agreements can be developed and uniformly applied. Governments of member states try the provisions of conventions to which they accede or ratify by effecting their own domestic laws, decrees, orders, or regulations. A member state raises an issue of concern and suggests a new regulation, convention, or amendment in one of the committees. If an agreement is reached in the committee, a proposal is forwarded to the Council, and, as necessary, to the Assembly. The Assembly or Council authorizes the preparation of a draft convention. The committee considers the issue in detail. If necessary, a specialized subcommittee is convened. The views and advice of intergovernmental and international non-governmental organizations which have a working relationship with IMO are sought. The committee then prepares a draft convention. The draft convention is forwarded to the Council and Assembly, with a recommendation that a conference be convened to consider the draft for formal adoption. Prior to the conference, the draft convention is circulated to all the countries and interested organizations. The conference studies in detail the draft convention, together with the comments from the member states. Necessary changes are made to the draft to produce a convention acceptable to all or the majority of the member states present. The convention is adopted by the conference and deposited with the Secretary General, who sends copies to governments. The convention is opened for signature by the member states, usually for a period of 12 months. Signatories may ratify or accept the convention, while non-signatories may accede later. Each convention includes appropriate provisions stipulating conditions to be met before it becomes binding on the signatories. When the appropriate conditions have been fulfilled, the convention enters into force. A grace period is normally provided after signing to enable the states to take the necessary measures for implementation. At present, IMO conventions enter into force within an average of 5 years after adoption.